Juanita Walker here, #1 visionary developer. And I am proud to tell you that I help people reignite the fire that lies dormant in their bellies by turning their dreams into reality. Now, a few months ago, before I joined the G.P.S Speaker Academy, I could not have told you that because I didn't know it. Now, I didn't know who I was, which way I was going, or how I was going to use my gifts and my talents. But it all started, and I can remember this like it was yesterday. It started on a Monday night call, a Clubhouse call that Dr. Karim had, and it was titled, Get It Out of Layaway. Now, during this speech, I was listening to Dr. Karim and imagining myself pushing my cart full of my dreams and my goals, just stacked up to the top, all these dreams, all these goals in this cart that I'm about to go put on layaway. And as he was talking, I was imagining myself, and I started to feel convicted. Like, you know what? I don't want to go through this anymore. I don't want to live this type of life anymore. I don't want to put my dreams and goals on a shelf anymore. I want to own them. So I made the decision to sign up for the G.P.S Speaker Academy, and it was the best decision in my life. I have to tell you, G.P.S Speaker Academy is not just a program. It is a lifestyle, and we're family. That is one of the most things that I love. The other thing that I love is Dr. Karim Ellis. I say that because Dr. Karim Ellis is not just a coach, a mentor, a teacher, or a professional. He is an extremely gifted and talented man. He is a man of his word. He is honest, and he has the hugest heart that I've ever seen in a person, in a stranger, I should say. One time I remember getting ready for our one-on-one. You know, I was going in intending to talk about what it was that I wanted to do and where I was at that moment. And I just broke down crying out of nowhere, like embarrassing moments. And Dr. Karim was so patient and so kind. He stopped what I intended to talk about, and he focused on what I needed at that moment. He listened to me, he related to me, and he poured life into me. He spoke life into me, I should say. And from that moment, I realized that this was the best thing that I could have ever decided to do. I've not only learned who I was, so I had an identity now. I had clarity. I had a wealth of knowledge for business and for my personal life. Now, before I get teary-eyed, I want to leave you all with one thing. Brian Tracy said in his book, No Excuses, he said, you can make excuses or you can make progress. You choose. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Schedule your call today with Dr. Karim Ellis. Join the G.P.S Speaker Academy, and I will see you on the other side.